Hello and welcome to Bucharest. Just like anywhere in the world, you have 4 methods of transportation here. By road, by railway, by air, and by water. If you're at Otopeni Airport, it means you have traveled by air. So let's see what your options are next to reach Bucharest or other cities in the country. If you wish to travel by road, you have 4 options. You have the bus, the Airport Express that travels from Otopeni Airport to center of Bucharest. You have Ubers, you have Bolt, or you have the option to take a taxi. In order to call a cab, you can either use the machine the airport can offer, or you can use an app that's used by most Romanians to call cabs, and that's called Free Now. Unfortunately, at the moment, there's no way to travel by water from Otopeni Airport to Bucharest. But recently, it happens that you can travel by railroad. It only takes 20 to 25 minutes to reach Bucharest, Gara de Nord, which is the main railway station of Bucharest. And today we are going to show you just how to do that. Once you are in front of the airport, look for the train sign. You'll have to cross over the street and head over to the train station.
The train reaching 10,720.
In order to purchase tickets, you have 3 options. You have the option to order the ticket online, to wait in line, or to pay directly the train conductor. After that, you can sit and relax. Once you reach Gara de Nord in Bucharest, you can either go to the information desk in order to ask how to reach your final destination, or you can go to the metro station by following the M sign. You can purchase tickets from the office, or you can use the machines and buy tickets with 2 trips or more. You can pay using cash or credit card. To be an expert traveler with the subway in Bucharest, you need 2 things: your ticket and your phone. The phone is for you to spend your whole journey looking at it. Here are some more numbers if you want to call for a cab, or you can take the surface transport. You'll find several bus stations near Gara de Nord. Or if you'd like, you can also bike or use electric scooters to go around through Bucharest. Read more about using iVelo bikes on Bucharest City Guide blog.